I am currently on 160 milligrams a week, injections twice of cypionate, and adding nandrolone for joint pain. How much should I adjust my tea with adding in nandrolone?
I mean, it's impossible to tell on here because everybody's different. I would start by not changing anything other than adding nandrolone. Like that's what I did when I started taking low dose nandrolone for joint pain. I didn't touch my TRT dose at first because why would you change two variables at once instead of one? So add the nandrolone first to see how you tolerate it. Start low. I mean, seriously, 50 milligrams a week is usually plenty for joint pain relief. 50 to 80, something like that. 50 to 100. Wouldn't jump up to 200 milligrams a week of nandrolone. I wouldn't even start at 100. It's got such a long half-life. Start at 50 milligrams a week for 6 weeks and then see how you feel. And if your joint pain gets better, but you still feel great, don't adjust your T dose. Like that's it. Just one variable at a time and be patient. I think that's the key with most of this stuff.